mates. Welcome back to the next station with Cooking with Papa. Now today, we got to airdrop some fresh ramen noodles. As you can see, nice and crisp right here. If you head over here, we're cooking some fresh water. We had to cook the old-fashioned way. I promise it's fresh water. As you can see, it's hot. They said it was for our laundry, but we don't need it right now. First step, we're gonna have to cook these noodles, and then we're gonna add the seasoning, and we should have ourselves a good meal. As you can see, we have a very hard workers right here. They're working very hard to make sure every single packet gets in that box. What do you think that is right there? You gonna do something about it? Yeah, work faster.
Jesus.
I'm not having this right now, you bloody groundhog. All right, now let's get to cooking. Boys, the noodles. Oh, crikey. You're not supposed to eat them before they're cooked. Next one. Give me that. That's nice and beautiful. They're gonna be beautiful noodles. Cooking nice and fine. Yeah, it'll be fine. We'll just pick through it. As you can see, these boys don't know how to do it. All right, now we just wait just for a little bit. We let these settle in. I'll be right back with you when they're all cooked.
Okay, nice.
All right, as you can see, we have some pure gold. This stuff will be perfect in the mix. Fresh from the package, this will mix in perfectly. Now we just drizzle this around on the sides. Just like that. Should settle in perfectly. I can have that. Bring it home for your mama. Get out of the shot, please. As you can see, we removed it from the beautiful fire we created. And we have a very beautiful masterpiece right here. As you can see, the noodles are settling very perfectly and they just look crisp. No! We don't eat yet, we let it cool down a bit.
I haven't eaten in 3 weeks.
Put it back down right now. So help me. If you just touch those noodles with your mouth, your head's gonna be on a stick for tomorrow's dinner. All right, and we'll be right back with you when we have some good noodles. As you can see, the noodles are settling quite nicely. Hey, ow! You know what you're supposed to. Hey, you two! You boys gotta wait for your turn! Hey, get out of here! So help me! I'll put you in the fire myself. Hey! Step back for a minute. Let me eat mine, then you boys will get yours, okay? Please. That's the deal we agreed upon. But, as you can see right here, we have a nice and crisp cook. Please. That is delicious. I'll tell you what. Here in the Outback, a good meal like that. Ah! You two get away from me right now. Both of you. Get out of here. Get out of here. I promise. What?
God, the noises that come out of your mouth.
Shut up. Freaking rodent.
What was that?
Boys, you hear that? I think it's an armadillo. slowly.
Come on, I'll race you through it.
Go, boys.